Hey friends, just doing a quick video on how to pull some stats real quick. I'm gonna log right into Realm here, go to our map page, and I'm gonna look at a few things and show you how easy it is to pull stats. Let's go back to the consumer view and let's just hit clear here. And perhaps we're looking for stats in the Markham area, Bursey Village. So I want sold stats for the month of August for Bursey. How do I do that? Really easy to do. Let's go to our location, go right into community, start typing in Bursey and select that. Now, of course, this is currently for sale, so let's flip that to unavailable and uncheck available. Now we have all the solds there. And let's go into more filters to select a sold date. As I said, I want month of August, and we are going to be doing that. There we go. So we have all property types for the month of August, and there are 9. We can see that there's 9. So how do I pull some stats on that? Really, really easy. Top right-hand corner, we're going to look at our drop-down menu, and we are going to click stats and counts. And as you can see here, there's 9 homes that sold. The average list price is 1.28. The average sold price was 1,329 with a difference of 103% of the asking price. That's how you do it. You can export this to a PDF or print. I'm going to hit close because maybe there's 2 communities that I want. And I can simply add the Wismar Commons to this same search by selecting or just adding it to the community here. And if I do that, all that same criteria is now added, and I can go and pull some more stats. Click that button again. Now we have 17 properties that sold. The average list price was 1.266 and the average sold price was 1,311. As you can see, the difference of 104% of the asking price, and it provides us some other information. Like, more as important is the days on market. Of course, we need to go in and see some of those listings might have been relisted. There's more. Hold on, there's more. Let's remove these 2 communities, because what happens if, let me zoom back into Markham just by double clicking. That's all I'm doing. And what if I have a custom shape? I can do the exact same thing on a custom shape. I'm doing a weird shape here. Maybe those are the properties or the area that maybe that's my neighborhood that I'm watching. And I can do the exact same thing, go into stats and counts. It's going to give us a weird number, 21, and there's the average price and so on for that custom shape. However, Garrett, what if I want to select 6 or 7 properties in a community? Wait, we can do that. There's more. Let's make it really easy. Let's change our layout to perhaps the map and table. Doesn't matter. And I'm going to select this one, this one, this one, or I'm looking at properties like this. I can go in and I select them here, hit next. Nope, not that one. Yep, this one and this one. And nope, not that one. And how about this one? I hit my back button, and I have a number of properties selected. I hit stats and counts again. I have selected 8, and it gives me all the info just for those 8 properties. There's your average sold price, average days on market 16. That's how you do it, my friends. Quite easy. Hope you have an amazing day. I'll do a much more in-depth video in due time. All the best. Bye for now.